everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to all our hearts' weekend chores. You know that love-hate relationship we often have with housekeeping? I mean, honestly, who here truly enjoys it? Times laughs. Personally, I absolutely love doing laundry. It gives me this incredible sense of accomplishment, like, yes, I've conquered Mount Laundry. You know exactly what I mean, right?
Totally. But what about the dishes? I feel like washing them is like, it never ends. Chuckles. I mean, do they multiply or what? Like, they just keep appearing from nowhere.
Exactly. It's like, as soon as you finish one batch, there's another set waiting for you, ready to pounce. It can feel so overwhelming sometimes. So tell me, do you have any chores that you actually enjoy doing, or is it just all drudgery for you?
I'd have to say, I don't mind vacuuming. It's almost meditative, right? Like, you can zone out and just vibe with some music. Speaking of music, do you have a favorite playlist for cleaning?
Oh, absolutely. I always crank up some upbeat tunes while I'm cleaning. It transforms the whole experience. Gestures emphatically. One time, I actually mopped the entire kitchen while dancing to my favorite songs. I felt like I was in a cleaning montage straight out of a movie.
Laughs. That's awesome. I can totally imagine you moonwalking while mopping. But seriously, what's the most satisfying chore for you? Like, what flips the script for you when it comes to feeling accomplished?
For me, it's definitely organizing small spaces, things like my kitchen drawers or shelves. It feels like a mini project, and seeing everything in its rightful place. Pure bliss. Like opening a perfectly organized drawer and seeing everything fit just right. How about you? Have you ever taken on one of those spaces?
Oh, I'm guilty of avoiding those tiny spaces. Honestly, they can get so cluttered, it's like a black hole where lost socks go to die. Chuckles. Do you have any tips for tackling those messes?
For sure. I like to start with the one in, one out rule. Nods. For every new item you bring in, something must go out. It keeps things manageable. I also set a timer for 20 minutes. It makes the task feel less daunting.
Wow, that's clever. And, do you ever find yourself procrastinating on certain tasks? Like, I have to admit, I always push off taking out the trash until the last minute.
Laughs. Oh my gosh, yes! Taking out the trash is the ultimate procrastination task for me. It's like having a pet you neglect, but it just keeps piling up. Sometimes I even forget, until it's practically overflowing. Time gestures dramatically.
Exactly. It's like a juggling act of sorts. So, once you finally tackle that chore, do you reward yourself in any way?
Oh, totally. After finishing my house chores, I treat myself to a nice cup of coffee or dive into a new episode of my favorite show. It makes it feel worth it, you know? How about you? What do you do as a post-chore reward?
I usually go for a snack. Times laughs. Like, yay, I cleaned! Now where's the ice cream? Speaking of snacks, do you ever listen to podcasts while cleaning? I find it makes the time fly by.
Yes! It's the perfect multitasking combo. I love immersing myself in fascinating stories while I scrub away. It makes me feel productive and entertained all at once.
Ooh, I need to jump on that. You know, I've been meaning to change my attitude towards chores, maybe even turn it into a fun ritual or something.
Absolutely. Sometimes it's all about perspective. If you can make a chore feel fun or rewarding, it completely shifts your mindset. I mean, you're basically upgrading your living space while dancing to some beats.
That's such a direction shift. All right, so what do you think? Is this motivational cleaning energy something that evolves over time?
Definitely. The older I get, the more I appreciate the benefits of keeping my space clean. It creates a calming environment. And I've come to view chores as self-care rather than just mundane tasks.
Wow, that's enlightening. Okay, so any final thoughts before we wrap up today's episode?
Just remember, whatever your chore of choice is, Making it enjoyable can really change the games. So crank up that music, grab your favorite snacks, and let's conquer those weekend chores, one song at a time.
Laughs? Love it. Thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next episode.